Alright guys, I'm back. Hopeless here with another Eliza P walk or run through. I don't know this game. Pretty apparent by the way I was playing in the previous episode and alright, let's pick up where I left off. Last time after I stopped playing, I got on the Stargazer just for a moment, and Jiminy said something about the weapon assembly kit and said to talk to him if I find any more. Let's check this out. Oh. Hold on. Let's see this. Let's try this with this. I don't know if I want to do that because I don't know how many times I can do that. In any case, yeah, I want to go back to, Hotel Krat. Well, let's just talk to everyone.
People have no idea. Thanks for keeping me company. I'm an old friend. Make yourself at home. If you have any questions, ask.
Okay, so nothing new.
I'll use my power to help.
Okay, nothing new.
I know my way around a weapon. Want me to look at something?
Still nothing there. Oh yeah, that reminds me. No. You know, that one actually doesn't look bad. What? Yeah, I kind of like this one. This one's not bad. Let's go with this one. It's closer to my colors. I like white and red.
Welcome to Hotel Krat. How may I be of service? The Stalkers are Krat's vigilantes. There are two
Don't mind
groups
me.
of them,
I'm just gonna
the Bastards
mute myself while I drink
and
some
the
water.
Sweepers. The Bastards are an organization of guards for the alchemists and the workshop. Motto: honor or nothing. The Sweepers are an organization of guards for the old families of Krat. Motto: we always repay what is owed. Historically, the relationship between the two groups has been turbulent, but most were killed in the puppets' full-scale attack. That is what little I know beyond the hotel walls. May I serve you in some other way?
I think that's all he's got for me for now. Alright, let's try to... Well, I think we can level up once, and then... Well, do I have any other... Yeah, I need one more. Alright. Let's continue. Sorry that was so slow. I wasn't kind of out of it. It's getting late here, honestly, and I'm trying to finish up a little bit more of this before I go to sleep, because I don't know how much I will be able to tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm going to be mostly doing a little bit of the Lords of the Fallen playthrough with isometrics, if anybody's watching that one. I think I can't sneak up on these guys. Oh, so you can hit and dodge those guys. That wasn't ideal for how many people I engaged in this situation, but that's okay. As the old soul saying goes, get good. Well, that's a shortcut, but what is this? This thing with the question mark over... I'll take a look at that in a second. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the video to see when I was able to hold 4 heals. Sure there's something I have to do with that, but I don't know what to do yet. I might have to come back later. Hi. Alright, let's do this. Wow. There we go.
Oh no. No survivors here. What do we do? Just give her that baby puppet?
So these were all the humans that were in the hotel. Wow, that is dark. Especially if that they're trying to say that her baby. Huh. Mr. Benigni's ambition to make a jolly police mascot puppet for City Hall ended in failure. His passion to make a trustworthy friend for the citizens and a strong officer who overpowers criminals was in the right place, but turned out to be excessive. The new police officer puppet's overcharged storage battery exceeded its capacity, causing chain explosions, malfunctions, and serious body damage. Wow. The city council recommended disposing of the puppet on the grounds that its appearance intimidates visitors, but Mr. Vanini and the taxpayers protested, halting the council's plan on its tracks. The puppet still lies abandoned behind City Hall to this day, while the lawsuit is ongoing. The interesting thing is, even when the puppet is unattended, it performs a number of its mascot roles. It is especially popular with kids, and it even appears to react and respond to the playing of children. However, it has led to more slum children entering City Hall and causing inconvenience to visitors. The city council is considering exhibiting the puppet only occasionally as a means to restrict entry. Will you be my friend? Everyone is gone, and I'm all alone now. Sure, I'll be your friend. Is there an emo for that? No. In any case, yeah, the police robot sounds like it's going to be the next boss. The Destroyer's Amulet. Nice. Okay, let's try this. This is something I've been wanting to try out. I'm kind of curious. What is it going to be? Well, I'm guessing it's going to be when I actually get into the boss fight. So, let's do this. Okay. That is... Wow. Oh shit, shit. Push him again. There we go. Why, thank you, sir. P. Organ of Quintessence. Wow. Well, that's 2 bosses in a row that I've beaten on the first try. This will make 2 episodes in a row I haven't died. Well, speaking too soon. I might play a little more. But probably not too much more. That wasn't the new thing. Well, that was a new thing, actually. The Watchman's Central Core. He was supposed to be a watchman, but instead he became judge, jury, and executioner, roaming the streets, killing. Sad. think I came from this way. Yeah, because the dead guy's over there. That kind of makes sense. Let's go ahead and rest. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and give that lady back the doll. Was it this way? I think so. Come here. Oh. Haha. Mm-hmm. You too? Well, the hardest boss wins again. Gravity. Two bosses. Can't kill me. That was better. How do I have so much? I can get a lot more, but that's besides the point. How do I have so much? Nice. Nice, I think that's what I needed actually.
You found her, Kind One.
Yeah, I found her.
I could sense her from miles away. Oh, my sweet Elena. Please let me hold her. There, my baby. I missed you so much. What do you think? Isn't my baby adorable?
Yeah.
That's right, kind one. You've granted me my only wish. My sweet Elena. We're going to be happy now. Thank you so much, kind one. Please accept my heartfelt gratitude.
Nice. Wait, what? You get humanity for wow, that's a new concept. Time to go back to the hotel. That's probably mostly what I'll be doing for the rest of this episode, is exploring the new things here. Because I definitely need to upgrade my weapon.
What you got there? Come here for a sec, would you? I picked up traces of high-powered energy originating far away. That's one mystery solved. Why don't we make a Legion arm with it? Mr. Vanini is the expert when it comes to Legion arms, but I'm pretty
Vanini,
sure I can
okay.
make one.
I had a
The
feeling
puppets get
it was
fried
that, so...
easily by electricity. If you use an electric Legion arm, it'll make your life easier.
This could be good for boss fights. Yeah, because I can't pull the boss to me, but I could use this thing to smack it with electricity. Alright. Okay, well, where am I? Oh.
You're going to the factory. He's the richest man in Krat. A little... I heard he went to shut the factory. I know my way around a well.
Should be able to... Wow, 4, okay. I, again, think I'm gonna wait on that, but...
Mr. Vanini is the richest man in Krat.
Yes, you
His
said that.
company manufactures most of Krat's exports.
Mm-hmm.
He's, peculiar, but a good-hearted man. Even though he's rich, he treats every employee with respect. I heard he went to shut the factory down. I hope he's safe. I wouldn't want to lose my best customer. Well,
we'll see about him. I mean, I don't know who this Mr. Vanini is. Like, I've never met him.
Welcome to Hotel Prague.
I didn't even know if Geppetto was
How
gonna be
may I
good
be
or
of
bad
service?
until I actually saw him. Oh, record player.
Close your eyes. Come to me. Feel alright. Just dance with me all through the night. Turn it out. Close to you.
Just gonna listen to this.
Cause I just no feeling of you. Give it to me, baby. Feel alright. I feel good. Just want you step with me, dance with me, here with me, feel alright. I feel good on you. Alright. To make a groove all night. Close your eyes. Come to me. Feel alright. Just dance with me all through the night. Turn it out. Close to you. I feel good. Cause I just know feeling of you. Give it to me, baby. Feel alright. I feel good. Just walk your step with me, dance with me, here with me, feel
Oh, nice.
I feel good on you. Alright. To make a groove all night. Feel alright. I feel good. Just want you step with me, dance with me.
You saved Geppetto. Wonderful. He's on the second floor. He can hardly wait to see you. I'll use my power to help you.
Make a groove all night. Close your eyes. Come to me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Come
Okay.
to me. Feel alright.
My springs are reacting.
That sounds very dangerous. The pain of his grief may be clouding his judgment. You and Geppetto are always welcome at this hotel. Geppetto's room is on the second floor. You can stop by whenever you like.
What is...
That book reminds me. Have you ever heard the fairy tale about a mischievous wooden puppet? All of Krot knows the story, all because of someone who loved that story more than anyone else. But this is strange. I do not recall. Who exactly was that someone?
Yeah, this room was not open before. The cat. Still? Alright. What is... Okay then. Wow, they actually have brains similar to humans. With a similar type of nervous system electrical charge spread throughout. But it doesn't look like that. Yeah, it's more about like the mystical side of the things.
You've returned.
Oh well.
Forgive a sentimental father for worrying about his son. Always remember that you're precious to me. Even when I ask you to do something dangerous. Speaking of which, there's a factory just beyond Elysian Boulevard. It's packed with countless puppets. My friend, the inventor Venini, went to stop them, but he never came back. Please, go save him and shut down the factory. P organs are the source of your powers. Collect quartz to get the strength you need. Remember, the hotel is the last safe place in Krot. It's our only refuge in a city full of perils. It'll be extremely dangerous if anyone has ill intentions. Be careful who you tell about this place, especially if they're stalkers or alchemists. Be wary of dangerous people. And always be a good boy to me.
Oh, okay then. Whoa, okay. Well, I should have bought some of that when I had a chance earlier. Ah, that explains everything. Why things didn't feel like they were moving smoothly enough. kind of want this one. Oh. Oh.
The city of Krat asked me and Venini him rescue Venini and shut down
Okay, well, I'll
his
get back to
factory.
that in a second.
That will deny the puppets their reinforcements. The cathedral is famous for its wise and kind Archbishop, Andreas. He offers sanctuary to countless refugees there. The thing is, I've lost touch with him. Perhaps no news is good news, but I'm a suspicious sort. And if the puppets push towards the cathedral, it could be devastating. Go save the Archbishop and the refugees before it's too late.
Will do.
I don't know what's happening in the Malam district. The Black Rabbit Brotherhood seized the neighborhood. That's all I know. It was always a run-down neighborhood, but it's descended into anarchy, or worse. I'm hearing rumors of monsters rampaging through the district. Those poor people. They need your help, son. Rosa Isabel Street is a stronghold of the puppets. It's a hunting ground where the most dangerous puppets roam. I believe it's the epicenter of the puppet frenzy. After all, I detected the strongest wave of ergo there. Especially for someone as precious as you. It's a perilous place. And when you walk a dangerous path, my son, it's best to take it one step at a time.
Okay. Alright, let's use this thing again. I want that. So... Interesting. Okay. So this gives you more of a variability on how you want to make it as a build. It gives you everything you want, but you only have a certain number of slots to put things in, and you can choose where you want to put them to max out certain areas or not. It's impossible to give an all-around max out on everything. Not my favorite type, but I can work with it. Probably this one. And this one. Oh. Clever girl. So I guess you need 5 to get to phase 2. But I should have the double dodge now.
You can get from City Hall to the factory with the key I just gave you. Venini gave me that key. Oh, he's missing. Rescue him if you can.
Okay. I will try. Actually,
Welcome.
yeah, I don't have
Dad.
enough, but I want to check. Yep, okay. He sells 2.
Now that we have a moment, you must understand. The city is on its deathbed. The petrification disease spreads too fast, and the puppets rampage everywhere. Nobody knows what caused the disaster. Everyone in Krat is just trying to survive. That's why I found you. Our only hope, Geppetto's puppet. We're both unique. I am able to wield the power of Ergo. Power I used to call on you. That's all I can say for now. Please, save Krat.
I will
I'll use
try.
my power to help you.
I want to check something else out.
Out here alone? You could use some help. Here's a festival gift for you. Now get yourself something useful.
One of those. Okay. Practically bought out his store. I mean, do I have anything worth selling to him? No. Well, this area continued more. So I'm thinking this is the way I'm supposed to go. Venini's guide. Venini's company is responsible for it. Save, us all. Regards. Lorne something panini. It sounds very Italian. I'm a huge fan of almost everything Italian.
Here it is. Vanini Works. Everything you see here belongs to Vanini, the classiest playboy and most brilliant inventor in Krat. Just ask him. Not just puppets. Almost every machine and tram in Krat is supplied from here. You gotta be curious about the guy. What kind of person is he? I wish we could find him. That is, if he's still kicking.
Still being sneaky. I don't know if I would count that as being sneaky, but in any case, before I get too ahead of myself, this video has already gotten to be a little long, so I'm gonna have to call it for this one, and I'll have to get back to it sometime soon. Alright, this is Hopeless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.